Hi guys, welcome to Gems and Jewels. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you've been watching, thank you so much. Please continue to like and share my videos. So to conclude on the Louis Vuitton theme, just for a while in case you're getting tired of it, I thought it would be fun to make a centerpiece. When I went to the thrift store, I found 7 smaller candle holders, 2 larger ones. Unfortunately, my table doesn't have enough room to display them all, but throughout this video, I wanted to give you some different options should you choose to make this project. This one here, I used something in between the cubes, but I will also show you what it looks like with the candle holders. This project is super easy. So the logo is definitely optional. Should you choose not to use that, that's fine too. I went to the computer, I printed Louis Vuitton logo 2 times, size it up to match your cube, whatever size mirrors you choose to use. Everything's in the description box. I taped my cube and then I glued it on the sides and on the top and a little bit on the bottom. I did not put a mirror part on the bottom of it. I just left that open. And then after I cut my logo off, I took Elmer's glue, school glue, and I just dipped it in glitter, let it dry, and then I added some jewels onto it. I did different variations for each cube, so they were different and a little more unique from each one. I took diamonds on this one. Well, I think on majority of them actually. I took diamonds and I went across the top of where the mirror meets the cube to cover up that space. And then I went down the sides and I used the diamonds and then I used the silver diamond confettis that I like. I took the logo, I put it in the middle of the cube on each side and I just hot glued it in the middle. Once I got to the top of each cube, I glued 3 gems on each side, a mid-size, a diamond filler, and a mid-size. And I did this so that it would match the rest of the stuff that we've made. Well, this is what the bigger boxes look like. And these are the Walmart candle mirror plates. It does have glue gun on it while I'm filming it to get rid of some of the glue and the adhesive. I usually put that on there for a minute, or actually quite a while, so I can wipe off the adhesive in the prints. But should you choose to want to make this as well, this is what that looks like, just for an option. My table wasn't large enough, so I didn't display it on the table. So for the bigger boxes, I repeated the same steps, except for I took this Dollar Tree mirror and I took the feet and the sticker off, and then I added a logo, and then I took Gorilla Glue and hot glue and I glued it in the middle of the box. So as you can see, I used the diamond fillers on each side. This is a pony bead, and I used those in the front edges. One I did on both edge, the other I just did on one single edge. And I used those to keep my diamonds in place so that I could glue them straight in. The best way I found for measurement was I would take 1 diamond filler and then I would hold it against my box to see where the middle center pointed part would be, and then I would glue my pony bead down, put some hot glue inside of it, and then I could stick my diamond in there. And then I just held it until it was dried enough to hold, and I'd move on to my next one, take the next diamond filler, hold it next to the other diamond filler to see where I'd put my next pony bead, and I just repeated the steps all the way through the box. So here's a visual if you just wanted to use candle holders. I just alternated here because I thought if they were all boxes it'd be a little too much. And then the Dollar Tree had these really cute little plants. So on the boxes, as you can see, I put the plants in the candle holder on each box. And then for the other ones, I just put the candle holder with a candle, a white candle, and then little diamond fillers. I just placed them on there. I didn't glue them. I probably am going to end up using Velcro just to hold everything down because I don't want to glue it. But here's an example of what that would look like. I really appreciate options, not to make too long of a video, but just to give you a visual. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. As I stated previous, very, very easy, very inexpensive, and pretty fancy for a little time and not very much money. Everything's in the description box. I hope you guys liked this Louis Vuitton theme that we had going on. I'll give you a break from it in case you're tired of it. You guys have a fabulous week, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.